YouTube, hey, what's going on? It's second job. Hey, I got a product that I want to share. It's the Nivea for Men Sensitive Post-Shave Balm. This thing is, I love the product. It's Aftershave Balm. Of course, you're not going to see me shaving, but I'm going to tell you that it's a very good product. I love its consistency of a lotion. It is soothing when it goes on. I'll actually give you a little story that happened. Went to a wedding years ago and I had this in my travel bag. Pulled it out. Some of the guys had bald heads, some guys had a fresh haircut, and I used that as an aftershave. And the guys were, man, what is this, man? It smells good, and actually it's not stinging because there's limited alcohol in the product. Let's take a look at it here. It says extra gentle. Well, it says what do you get? But it's smooth, soothing, healthy, and it makes your skin looks good. So it's limited alcohol in it. There's also some vitamin E, which is good for your skin. So it's a great shave product. But I also noticed something too about this product. Before doing this actual video, I noticed that this product is used for a different purpose as well. And it was kind of shocking to me because like, this is just an aftershave. I'm looking at these reality TV shows, I'm looking at these ladies with this makeup caked on their face. This is a skin protectant for their type of makeup that the ladies use on their face. And I've noticed some women they put this on videos that I saw actually on YouTube showed ladies putting on Nivea first on their skin to protect their skin, then they put the makeup on, or I should say they cake the makeup on for some reason. And usually when they cry, if you look at these reality TV show reunion shows, you'll see when they start crying or tearing up, you'll see a big long tear of like some kind of flood zone that went down the front of their face. And it's because probably the Nivea is under the makeup, and so as a result it protects their skin for some reason. So again, two purposes for this product, which I think is very good. I recommend anybody using it. It's a aftershave skin balm for men, and women use it also for a skin protectant when wearing makeup. So again, YouTube's changed some rules, so I gotta have some people going on this page and liking it, also and subscribing to the channel. I'm working on new videos as much as I can, as fast as I can. YouTube, please upload my videos a little bit quicker, because I've had some other videos put in holding file, and of course it delayed me getting back to the videos and to go and put them in the lineup for for different just for to be put back on uploaded or whatever. So clear thoughts here. Appreciate you. Please subscribe to the channel. It should be somewhere down under here where you can subscribe with my icon. I'm going to probably change that to a icon of subscription. So again, second job signing off, and buy this product and enjoy it.